Yeah. So um, I only got out of big law because I nearly died and had the opportunity to start over again. Right. And it was the best thing that could have happened to me because I
Mm.
got out of big law. I had to take a break as I was getting better, and I was thinking about starting my own firm, right? Because my wife, bless her, she supported us for a year and a half when I wasn't working and I was too ill to do anything. And after I had my transplant, she said, "I think that you're feeling well enough. Could you start making some money again?" Right? I said, "Yeah, that's a fair ask." But the thought of going back to a big firm just was not on the table for me. And so I said, "I think I'm going to start my own firm." And she said, "You don't know what the hell you're doing." I said, "You're right." And she said, "You should do it anyway." I said, "All right, perfect."
That's awesome.
And out of a sheer piece of luck, the way that I approached it wasn't in terms of what kind of law do I want to practice. I thought, who are the kind of people that I really loved working with?
Mm.
Right? Who are the people when they showed up on my phone or in my email, I got excited to talk with them, right? As opposed to, and every lawyer, everybody in business knows that sometimes that name pops up on your phone and you're like, ah, shit, right?
Yeah.
So how do I set up the practice in my life to revolve around the kind of people that are my people that I love working with? And those tended to be people who are a little crazy like you and me who go and start a business, right? And want to build and create rather than simply maintain something. And um, I say that it was lucky because if I had tried to do what I was doing previously, no Fortune 50 company is going to hire a random solo in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania to do their litigation. That just doesn't happen, right? And I was doing, high stakes corporate litigation, at that level, and it didn't translate to the life that I was trying to build.
Mm.
Um, and as I started working with these startup founders, these early stage businesses or small businesses in general, I realized that there was a pretty sizable chunk of the market that just wasn't served properly by larger firms.